Hello children. Today let us learn the diary entry of Amelia Slater. Firstly, let's have a quick glance at the pattern to be followed. In order to write a diary entry, imagine yourself to be the person you are assumed to be imagining. Write in one sentence how you felt because of that incident. Then narrate the incident in 2 or 3 sentences. Later, write your personal feelings, that is the impact of the incident on you. Later, ask a few questions to yourself or to God with regard to the incident. Then always give a hopeful ending or conclude with a resolution. Now on to the question here. Annoyed over his daughter's selfishness, Abel Merriweather decides to marry John Shorrocks and to give his property to the one he lives with when he breathes his last. Imagine yourself as Amelia Slater and attempt a diary entry. On to the diary entry. First, write the date and time to the right hand top corner. Then write Dear Diary. Then tell how the day was. It was a terrible day. Then narrate the incident. Dad decided to give his property to the one with whom he lives with in his last days. He even said that he is going to marry John Shorrocks. So this is the event that happened that day. Now we go with the personal feelings of Amelia Slater, how she felt when her father said so. How could Dad think of getting married at this old age? How senseless of him to do that. Yes, I agree that it's wrong on my part to pinch the bureau, clock and slippers. For that, will anyone take such a silly decision? It's all because of that troublesome Elizabeth. She could have kept her mouth shut for a while, couldn't she? She revealed everything and made a mess out of things. Now the property is going to go to some third person's hand. Neither I nor she is going to enjoy it. I think now she is happy. Whatever it is, I was wrong and I need to apologize. Daddy gives me property or not, that doesn't matter. All I wish is that he forgives me. That is, this gives a hopeful ending wherein we tell that she hopes that Abel Merriweather would forgive her. And at the end you need to write the writer's name, the one who wrote the diary, that is Amelia. Hope you all understood how to write a diary entry. Thank you children, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.